So now we are in our users project, and in our main screen we have a function called locate user position, and here we have written a function that we comment out before. Now I'm going to enable this and I'm going to write this function here. So let's write this, let's copy this and paste it here, and let's write GeoFire dot initialize active drivers. GeoFire dot query at location user current position dot latitude user current position dot longitude and radius of around 10 kilometer. Dot listen, and instead of event we are going to add right map, and here we can print map. Then let's add a if map is not equals to null, then we will create a variable var callback equals to map callback switch callback case this is for whenever any driver become active or online. Case GeoFire dot on key entered, and here we are going to add a new model class. So for that, a new Dart file called active nearby available drivers. Let's create this class active nearby available drivers string driver ID, then double location latitude double location longitude. Active nearby drivers this dot driver ID, this dot location latitude, this dot location longitude. Let's go back to our main page, main screen, and let us write active nearby drivers equals to active nearby drivers, and active nearby drivers dot location latitude equals to map latitude. Active nearby drivers dot location longitude equals to map longitude, and the active driver ID equals to map key. GeoFire we have to add another assistant here, and that is GeoFire underscore assistant. Class GeoFire assistant static list active nearby available drivers active nearby available drivers list equals to empty. Let's import this. Right, static void delete offline driver from list string driver ID int index number equals to active nearby available drivers list dot index where element dot driver ID equals driver ID. Active nearby driver list dot remove at index number. And static void update active nearby available driver location active drivers driver who move to int index number equals to active nearby available drivers list dot index where element dot driver ID equals driver who move dot driver ID. Active driver list index number dot location latitude equals to driver who move dot location latitude. Active nearby driver index number dot location longitude equals to driver who move dot location longitude. Now here we can write GeoFire assistant dot active nearby driver list dot add active nearby drivers. if active nearby drivers keys loaded equals true, then display let's display this active drivers on users map break. Case GeoFire dot on key exited geo assist active nearby drivers equals to active nearby drivers dot location latitude. Let's copy this. Sorry, here we can just write GeoFire assistant dot delete of line driver from list map key, and let's write this function again. GeoFire dot on key moved active nearby driver available drivers equals to active nearby available drivers dot location latitude equals to map latitude. Let's copy this and paste it here, and here you can write GeoFire assistant dot update active nearby available driver location active nearby available drivers display and break. Display those online active drivers on users map case GeoFire dot on GeoQuery ready, active nearby, driver keys loaded equals to true, then display active drivers on user's map or break. This we can add set state. Whenever any driver become non-active or online, whenever driver moves, update driver location. So that's it. Now let's create this function. Set state marker state dot clear circle sets dot clear and set marker drivers marker set equals to set marker for active nearby available drivers. Each driver in GeoFire assistant dot active drivers list latlang each driver active position equals to latlang each driver dot location latitude and each driver dot location longitude. Marker equals to marker ID is to marker ID each driver dot driver ID. Position each driver active position icon active nearby icon, then rotation 360 degree. Driver marker set dot add marker. Set state marker set equals to driver's marker set. Now let's create another function, create active nearby driver icon marker if active nearby icon equals null, then image configuration equals to create local image configuration context dot size 2 by 2 and bitmap descriptor dot from asset image configuration asset name images /card dot png dot then active nearby icon equals to value, and we can call this method here. So after I stop the app and rerun it, I can see our active car, but it's too big, so let's resize it. We're going to decrease the size and let's see how it looks now. I think we have to use another asset image. This one will not work. So we resized our car.png and now let's run it again. You have to enter egoncastle@gmail.com and 654321. Let's allow and let's run this again. And now we can see a car. See, here it shows a car. That's our driver.